Hi everybody, welcome to Live with Chaudhry. We're here in Lisbon for day 2 of PEG's Europe, and I'm delighted to be at the Mabqi Abzena booth, and I'm joined by Patrick Haddad from Abzena and Cecile Durand from Mabqi, and we're going to learn a bit more about the collaboration they announced last week between the two companies. But before we do that, we're going to learn a bit more about why they're here and what they do. So first of all, Patrick, who are Abzena and what do you do?
So at Abzena we are end-to-end CDMO. We are supporting customers, biotech and biopharma, from early stage to manufacturing biologics and antibody drug conjugates.
Right, okay. And Cecile, same question to you. Who are Mabqi and what do you do?
So we're a biotech company specialized in the discovery of fully human and readily developable antibodies for therapeutics.
All right. And Patrick, what are you, apart from the collaboration, what are you talking to customers about this week in Lisbon?
Yeah, this year we are offering new services, especially on cell line development. So we have done other partnership to help our customer for specific and complex biologics.
Fantastic. And same question to you, Cecile, from Mabqi.
So we're delighted to unveil our LightLab antibody discovery studio, and more particularly our LightLab Sense platform for conditionally active pH-sensitive antibodies, which is really a hot topic in the industry.
Fantastic. Now, let's talk about the collaboration. So Patrick, tell us more about the collaboration between the two companies.
Yeah, with Mabqi we are totally complementary because as Cecile explained, they have a specific antibody discovery platform, which is something missing from our offer. So the partnership makes sense.
All right, and let me ask you one more question related to that. So in terms of the benefit to customers, what are the benefits to the customers from your perspective in terms of the partnership?
Yeah, the benefits is huge. I mean, it's really, we can offer, I mean, they can start with us from the start, from the early stage to the manufacturing, clinical manufacturing.
Brilliant. And anything to add to that, Cecile?
Well, I think it's a perfect fit in terms of offer, because as Patrick said, we can take over from discovery to the development. It's a perfect fit in terms of scientific expertise, complementary expertise, and the teams are really great, and we just love working together, so it's a really super partnership.
Brilliant. Now, I understand you've got a colleague you'd like to introduce who's going to tell us a bit more about the scientific benefit as well.
Yes, I would like to introduce Anne, which is our head of discovery and technology, and she will say a few words on the scientific collaboration.
Brilliant. So Anne, it's lovely to meet you. Tell us a bit more about then how the collaboration impacts scientists and what the benefits are from a scientific point of view.
Yeah, so you understood everything about business, and what I'm very excited about is really to collaborate also with Abzena scientists, because we like to innovate, and I think innovating together will really be beneficial for our customer and also for better therapeutics.
Brilliant. Now, Anne, stay there for a second. I've got one final question for Cecile and Patrick. So Patrick, I'll ask you first though.
Okay.
Obviously there are a lot of CDMOs out there. So what differentiates Abzena and makes it unique that people should work with you?
Yeah, the most important thing is we are a human-sized company, and we are really, let's say, not only doing services, but we are really supporting and find solutions to their problems, their issues.
Brilliant. And Cecile, same question. I mean, why should people work with Mabqi?
Well, I think it's the same as Patrick said, and also we're really customer focused, designing fit for purpose programs, and really outstanding customer.
Brilliant. Well, look, Patrick, Cecile, Anne, thank you for taking time out to talk to me today. Good luck with the rest of the time here in Lisbon, and good luck with the collaboration. I'm sure it'll be fantastic. So viewers, if you'd like to learn more, yes, there's one other thing. I think they all want to put their orange sunglasses.
Come by our booth, take your sunglasses, and see sun shining for discovery programs and development.
Brilliant. Yes, so the viewers, if you'd like to learn more, come to the Mabqi Abzena booth, learn more about the collaboration, get your orange sunglasses, and if you can't come to the show though, you can follow them on LinkedIn and go to their website and learn more. So thank you all once again. And viewers, thank you for watching. Until next time, stay well and stay safe. Bye bye.